बच्चों आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे आप लेसन 2 द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम। इसमें आज हमारा टॉपिक है कंप्यूटर मेमोरी। तो कंप्यूटर मेमोरी क्या होता है? कंप्यूटर मेमोरी इज द सेट ऑफ वन और मोर चिप्स इन विच वी स्टोर द डाटा और इंफॉर्मेशन। डाटा कैन बी a program is a set of instructions. So all the programs or information is stored in the computer memory. So in computer there are two types of memory, internal memory and external memory. In internal memory there are two parts, main memory or primary memory, and second is cache memory. So first we study about main or primary memory. So primary memory is the main memory of computer. This is the memory which deals with input and output. In primary memory there are also two types, RAM and ROM. So first we go to the RAM. The RAM is random access memory. It is also called read-write memory. Read-write memory means in this memory we can write the data and also read the data. So this is called read-write memory. तो इसमें हम इसका एक बार फिगर देख लेंगे। रैम का फिगर क्या होता है? तो ये आपके कंप्यूटर में होता है, आपका जो मदरबोर्ड होता है। तो ये देखिए, ये इसका आपका डायग्राम है आपका ये। तो दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ रैम। तो it is connected in the motherboard of the CPU. So RAM stores the data temporary. Temporary means in RAM data is remains until the power is on. When power is off, all the data will be deleted from the memory. So it is called temporary memory. But it is the memory which deals with the input and output operations. All the data which are coming from the input devices are stored in RAM, then it goes to the CPU for the processing. CPU process the data and store the intermediate result and final result in the RAM. It is also called scratch pad memory because it is a temporary memory. When power is off, the data is deleted from the RAM. The RAM is the key factor of the computer. RAM decided the speed of computer. More the RAM, the more the data you can handle, more the process you can handle. ठीक है? तो more the RAM, the speed of computer is high. There are also two types of RAM, SRAM and DRAM. SRAM stands for static RAM, DRAM stands for dynamic RAM. अब नेक्स्ट है आपका सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ मेन मेमोरी इज रोम. रोम इज रीड ओनली मेमोरी. Means this memory can be read only and it is a permanent memory. Permanent memory, data is not deleted when the power is off. तो इसका हम लोग फिगर एक बार देख लेंगे कैसा होता है आपका रोम का. रोम का आप फिगर देखेंगे, ये आपका ये रोम है. दिस इज द रोम, रीड ओनली मेमोरी. ठीक है? तो रीड ओनली मेमोरी क्या, इट इज ए परमानेंट मेमोरी. इट स्टोर्स द डाटा परमानेंटली. सो रोम इज यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग प्रोग्राम्स और इंस्ट्रक्शंस. It is also stored bootstrap program. Bootstrap program is the program which help the computer to on. There are many types of ROM. So first is PROM, programmable read only memory. Means in this type of memory we can only write the data once. We cannot delete the data when it is written. So it is used for storing programs or softwares. Next है EPROM. erasable, programmable, read-only memory means this type of memory can be used again and again. Data can be erased by using the ultraviolet rays. In this memory, data can be erased by the help of ultraviolet lights. Next है आपका डबल EPROM, electrically erasable, programmable, read-only memory. In this memory, data is deleted by the electrical signal. In EPROM, data is deleted by the ultraviolet rays. In double EPROM, data is deleted by the electrical signals. So this is the different types of ROM. Next आपका क्या है? कैश मेमोरी. तो कैश मेमोरी मेन मेमोरी is connected to the CPU. CPU has very high speed while the main memory has very low access rate. So there is a gap of speed between the CPU and the primary memory. To bridge this gap, we insert a special type of memory, cache memory, between the processor and the main memory. तो इसका एक बार हम डायग्राम देखेंगे कैश मेमोरी का. So this is the cache memory. This is the cache memory. So it bridges the gaps, speed gap between the CPU and the primary memory. So all the important instructions, intermediate results are stored in the cache memory. Whenever processor wants any data, it search in the cache and takes from it. But there is a problem that cache is a very expensive memory, so it is used in a very small size in the computer. Next is आपका external memory. So it is also called secondary memory or auxiliary memory. The external memory is divided into two parts: magnetic storage area and optical storage area. Magnetic storage area means in magnetic storage media, the data is stored using the magnetic material. The data is stored by using the magnetic material. So in magnetic storage media, there are circular disks which are coated with magnetic material. So there are tracks. There are invisible circular tracks of invisible, which is called tracks. Tracks are divided into sectors. ये आपका सर्कुलर फॉर्म में होता है, ये सर्कुलर डिस्क फॉर्म में होता है. इसमें क्या होता है, कई सारे इनविजिबल सर्कल्स होते हैं जिनको which is called tracks, and every circular disc is also divided into sectors. तो डाटा जो इसमें स्टोर होता है, डाटा इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टिनी मैग्नेटिक स्पॉट्स. इसमें आपका टिनी मैग्नेटिक स्पॉट्स के फॉर्म में हम लोग डाटा को स्टोर करते हैं. तो प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्पॉट रिप्रेजेंट वन एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक स्पॉट रिप्रेजेंट 0. तो इसमें क्या होता है, देयर इज अ रीड राइट हेड टू रीड द डाटा from the magnetic storage media or to write the data. So there is a read write head by the which we can read or write the data in magnetic storage media. So there are two types of magnetic storage media, floppy disk and hard disk. तो फर्स्ट आपका देखेंगे फ्लॉपी डिस्क. तो फ्लॉपी डिस्क का हम डायग्राम देख लेंगे पहले. ये आपका फ्लॉपी डिस्क है आपका, ठीक है. तो ये आपका रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म में होता है. तो इसमें क्या होता है, इनसाइड फ्लॉपी डिस्क देयर इज सर्कुलर डिस्क which is made of plastic and which is coated with magnetic material. So data is stored in the form of tiny magnetic spots. It comes in a plastic cover which is called jacket. So it stored a small amount of data, and it comes in various sizes. In various sizes it comes, but it stored a very small size of data like 10 MB, 5 MB. नेक्स्ट है आपका हार्ड डिस्क। तो हार्ड डिस्क में क्या होता है, इसमें इन हार्ड डिस्क वी कैन स्टोर हाई अमाउंट ऑफ डाटा। तो इन हार्ड डिस्क आल्सो देयर आर सर्कुलर डिस्क, देयर आर वन और more circular disks which is coated at both sides with the magnetic material। उसका आप डायग्राम देखेंगे एक बार हार्ड डिस्क का। तो ये दिस इज द हार्ड डिस्क, हियर यू सी दैट सर्कुलर डिस्क। तो दिस सर्कुलर डिस्क हैव sectors tracks and it is coated on both sides, front and back both side is coated to store high amount of data। A hard disk can contain one or more circular disks, so it can store high amount of data। It comes in the size of 500 GB, 200 GB। so it is the हार्ड डिस्क। नेक्स्ट आपका जो कैटेगरी है एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी में, दैट इज ऑप्टिकल स्टोरेज मीडिया। तो इन ऑप्टिकल स्टोरेज मीडिया वी यूज ए लेजर बीम टू रीड और राइट द डाटा। इन ऑप्टिकल स्टोरेज मीडिया वी यूज ए लेजर बीम टू रीड और राइट द डाटा। तो in optical storage media there are different types: CD, DVD, pen drive, Blu-ray disc, memory card। so we study one by one। first is CD। CD stands for compact disc। तो it is a circular disc। तो इसका हम लोग डायग्राम देखेंगे CD का। तो this is the diagram of CD। So it also contains tracks and sectors। Data is stored in the CD। Data is read and written by a laser beam in the CD। So a CD can store about 700 MB of data। So there are also different kinds of CD। First is CD-ROM। CD-ROM is compact disk read only memory। CDR compact disk recordable। CDRW CD read and write। तो CD-ROM is used for storing programs and the video games। CDR is recordable, means in this type of CD you can only record the data। CDRW in this CD you can read and write the data many times as you like। नेक्स्ट है आपका DVD। तो DVD डिजिटल वर्सेटाइल डिस्क, या इसको डिजिटल वीडियो डिस्क भी कहते हैं। तो इट इज सिमिलर टू द CD। इसका डायग्राम देखेंगे। तो ये आपका डायग्राम है, ठीक है। तो इन लुक्स इट इज सिमिलर टू द CD। द डिफरेंस इज द स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी। तो DVD कैन स्टोर अबाउट 7 times of data in comparison to CD। तो it is also has 3 types: DVD-ROM, DVD-R and DVD-RW। Next is pen drive। तो pen drive is a very popular storage media। It is very small in size। It comes in various storage capacity like 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB। So here we see the figure of pen drive। So this is the pen drive। So it needs no cable, no power, but it needs only a USB port। So in the USB port we insert the pen drive and use the data, तो पेन ड्राइव इज ए रीड राइट नेचर. इन इट वी कैन read the data and delete the data as many times we want. Next is Blu-ray disc. So Blu-ray disc it contains a large amount of data. So the name of Blu-ray is formed from the in it we use blue violet laser to read the data. इसमें बताया था आपको ऑप्टिकल स्टोरेज में we use laser beam to read and write the data. तो in for Blu-ray disc we use blue violet laser beam. Blue violet laser beam to read and write the data. So it is called blue means from the blue violet or ray means optical ray. So it is named as Blu-ray disc. तो इसका अब डायग्राम हम लोग देखेंगे ब्लू-रे डिस्क का. तो ये आपका क्या, दिस इज द ब्लू-रे डिस्क. तो इट हैज हाई कैपेसिटी स्टोरेज एरिया. तो इट कंटेन्स 5 times more data. 5 times more data in comparison to the DVD. तो इट हैज आल्सो मेनी टाइप्स. इसको बोलेंगे BD रोम, BDR और BDRE. तो BD रोम इज यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग हाई वीडियो डाटा. It is stored. Blu-ray disc is used for storing or writing high definition video. High definition video. So BD ROM is used for storing programs or computer games. BDR means it is used only for one time recordable. Or BDRE means it is can be used read and erase. R means read और E means क्या होता है erase. तो BDRE is used can be many times. नेक्स्ट है आपका मेमोरी कार्ड. तो मेमोरी कार्ड इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्टोरेज एरिया which is used in small devices like cell phone, mobile. So it has many types like compact flash, memory stick, multimedia card MMC, and secure digital card which is known as SD card. ठीक है, तो जो मोबाइल में लगाते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, SD कार्ड. तो there are also different kinds of SD card like micro SD card and mini SD card. तो एक हम लोग मेमोरी कार्ड का भी इसमें देखेंगे ये डायग्राम. तो ये आपका क्या माइक्रो SD कार्ड है, ये माइक्रो सिक्योर डिजिटल कार्ड है ये. तो इट हैज कम्स इन वेरियस कैपेसिटी लाइक 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB. So these are the different types of computer memory. So computer memory is divided in two types, internal memory and external memory. Internal memory is again divided into two types, main or primary memory and cache memory. Primary or main memory is again divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. RAM is divided into two parts, SRAM and DRAM. ROM is divided into three parts, PROM, EPROM, double EPROM. Next, external memory or secondary memory or auxiliary memory is divided into two groups, magnetic storage media and optical storage media. In magnetic storage media, there are floppy disks and hard disks. In optical storage media, there are CD, DVD, pen drive, ब्लू-रे डिस्क एंड मेमोरी कार्ड. तो ये आपका टॉपिक कंप्यूटर मेमोरी कंप्लीट हो गया है. इसी के साथ आपका लेसन 2 द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, ये भी आपका जो लेसन जो है कंप्लीट हो गया है. थैंक यू.